Welcome to this video on how to submit a price proposal in ECOS, the ESA costing software designed to help you prepare your price proposals in detail for an ESA tender. In this video, we will guide you through the key steps of the submission process, including running the consistency check, performing the price compliance check, generating reports, and creating a new version of your price proposal. Before starting the submission process, make sure that the tender action closing date has not passed. From the Price Proposal Actions menu, select Submission Process. Review the list of elements that will be submitted. To add or remove any, go to the Proposal Elements tab. For further information on proposal elements, please refer to the How to Manage Options video. Then, click on Start Submission Process and select Perform Consistency Checks to check your proposal for errors or missing information. Red error messages indicate issues that must be corrected before submission. To make corrections, click on Cancel Submission Process and edit your price proposal. If there are no error messages, you can proceed with submission. Next, click on Generate Reports to review the price summary and generate the PBF and the price compliance reports. You can view details for each entity involved, as well as the total project price. Click on Price Compliance to ensure your proposal meets the basic price requirements. Then, click on View Reports to generate and sign the PBF and exhibit reports. These will be sent to ESA once your submission is confirmed. For the final step, you have three options. Select Save to resume later, to leave your proposal locked but not yet submitted. Cancel Submission Process, to unlock and edit your proposal again. Submit Price Proposal, to confirm your submission. Please note, once submitted, it can no longer be modified. If you need to make changes, such as adding a new work package, you can create a new version anytime before the tender deadline. Select Create New Version for addition from the Price Proposal Actions menu. This new version will open with the status in preparation, ready to be updated by following the same process you used to create the original price proposal. During this course, we have covered the process for submitting a price proposal in the bidder-restricted area and how to create a new version of a price proposal. For further information, please refer to the manuals and other videos available by clicking on Help on the ECOS homepage. Thank you for your time and for watching this video.